Good afternoon, welcome to the dyno. Today we've got a little Westfield that you can see behind me, which is just in for a bit of tuning work, as well as the work that we've already carried out, which is basically to fit a set of our bike carbs. Customer bought this car, it's got a CVH fitted, a 1.6, which we don't see very often, but good engine all the same. A bit of a soft spot for them myself, having had an XR2, but basically he had purchased this car with Weber DCOEs on there and got very sick and tired of trying to get it to run right, so he basically asked us if we could do a drive-in, drive-out package, which we've done. So we fitted our ZX6 bike carburetors, as you can see in the background, and we're just doing a little bit of tuning on it. So far we started out at 140 main jets, which is very typical starting place for us on a 1600 engine. It's quite rich, so I dropped it down to 130s, and that's getting close now. I've optimised the ignition timing as well. So far we've seen 112 horsepower. So I'm just going to downjet it one more size. I'm going to go to 125, which is quite small, but that's what it wants because it's still a bit rich at the top end, and I think that's just killing a little bit of top end power. So I just thought I'd do a little video, show you a quick jet swap, and obviously a bit of dyno. Okay, so that's the jet swapped over. We've gone from a 130 main jet down to a 125, so let's see what we can do on the dyno. So after doing a couple more runs, seeing what power we can get out of the little 1600 CVH, we've actually reached 117 horsepower. So just going to bring you around here, show the graph. So basically standard 1600 CVH, set of ZX6 bike carbs. It's obviously got a 4-branch manifold on it, but yeah, 117 brake horsepower, nice flat torque curve as well. I'm pretty pleased with that for an old CVH, not bad going. So basically the kit consists of, if I can get that down there to show you, our aluminium inlet manifold, our silicon hoses to join the two together, a set of ZX6 bike carbs, and then we've actually got, if I can just reach around, our backing plate to go on there, and then I'm hoping that we can fit for him our usual pipe across air filter. That's an old one that I'm just going to try and mock up. It's looking a little bit close to the bonnet, so we'll just have to see how we go there, whether we can actually fit it in or if he needs a hole in the bonnet. But overall, great result, 117 brake horsepower. So yeah, if you need a similar kit for your CVH, drop us a line or email or visit the website danstengineering.co.uk.